Hi, this is Tom from the Cabin of Curiosities. Wanted to share an item with you that I was given by a friend. He was given this by a family member who served in the Philippines during World War II. Actually, I guess around the South Pacific in general. But he was part of a tank unit that liberated the Santo Tomas Internment Camp in Manilla in 1945. And this was a lock he recovered during that. From my understanding, from what I was told, his internment camp was in Manila, and it was where the Japanese held foreign prisoners during the war, predominantly Americans that were captured. A lot of civilians, is my understanding, mostly civilians. But anyway, this lock's from that. It's a Yale lock. I don't know the exact date, but it's marked Yale. And it's stamped, if you can see that, Ellis, and it has a serial number. Also an FD stamp there, an 02. And I didn't see any other stamp marks. But if you look at the keys are also marked Ellis with the same serial number. And still works perfectly fine. Haven't lubed it up or anything, but it's definitely an interesting bit of history. My father worked in the Philippines in Manila for a while. This was a while after the war, and met a lot of veterans that had stayed behind. Fell in love with the country. This is a commercial stamp, but it does say Yale in Town Manufacturing Company, Stanford, Connecticut, USA. So it's obviously not a lock that was originally from the Philippines. Yale's a U.S. company, and the serial number makes me think it was a government lock. And it obviously wasn't Japanese in origin. So anyway, but I thought I'd share that with you because it's an interesting bit of history and a very cool old lock from a lock standpoint. So anyway, have a great day.